Have you been to the Disneyland Haunted Mansion when it's all decked out in the Nightmare Before Christmas theme? Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I just completed my round the world trip. 2 continents, 8 countries. So let me show you. Every Halloween, Disneyland goes all out and decks the entire park in epic Halloween vibes. And that includes the Haunted Mansion. During the holidays, the Haunted Mansion gets a full festive makeover. If you're a fan of the Nightmare Before Christmas movie, you'll love all the incredible decor that transforms the ride into a spooky holiday wonderland inspired by that exact movie. As you make your way through the line, you'll notice that the entire mansion is decked out in Halloween decor from top to bottom, really setting the mood for the ride. Once you're inside, the flickering chandelier sets the dark, brooding vibe, and you'll be surrounded by the Nightmare Before Christmas decor. As you take it all in, you'll suddenly hear a voice.
Welcome to the Haunted Mansion. I'm your host. Your ghost host.
Now it feels like you're descending, as if you're being transported to another realm. Or did the room simply stretch? Who knows, but that's Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas right there on the picture mantle. Do you know what's gonna happen next? I guess we'll just sit back, relax, and find out.
Enjoy the ride, mortals.
Serpents and spiders still love a cat. Call in the spirits wherever they're at. Up on the table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Happy holidays, everyone. Go on, don't be shy. It's Christmas.
Come back again soon.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post soon. Oh, as I mentioned, I am a blogger, so that means I do have a blog. It's shaytravel.com. I'll put the link in the comments and description section. I do post travel deals, like discount on flights, travel guides and tips for you to check out later when you're done watching this video. Till next time, happy travels!